Okay, so I sent you an invite. There it is. So this is what should happen for everyone. It should be just as simple. Yeah, your email. Oh, I can do Facebook. Okay. So this is the other way to do it with Facebook. Bam. Okay, logged in. Done. Then it doesn't even, now you're on there and you can access, go to decisions in your top left, because those are threads, they're not decisions. There you go. So you've obviously been here before. So go up top and then go to all polls and go to the little all polls and go down to the active ones. Okay.
Okay.
So you may not have any context for these right now, Craig.
Yep.
But because you're brand new, but now we know that it works. I mean, it's really simple. So I don't know how Mike didn't have access. I wasn't able to give him access. So, okay, so that's it. Super simple.
Does he have an account with him? Lumo.
I'm grabbing the screen right now. He has an account. So Mike is right here. He's in the group, Mike Upstone. And then I don't know how to, if I go to decisions, and we go to Gaia only. And then we go to Gaia master plan. And Mike's on there now. Okay, I think I already did that. Decisions, access. Mike is up there. Yeah, so he's good. Okay. So if anybody has any other problems, then we'll figure that out. I mean, it should be that simple.